Actually, I was working in Tech Mahindra. I joined Tech Mahindra as a fresher in the year 2011. There I continued for 8 years, and after the maternity, I couldn't able to continue my job. So I was in a career break for 6 years. How to start, where to land up, how because it was a huge gap. 5 to 6 years is a very huge gap. So I was searching internet how to do. The AI was emerging. So I thought, okay, we'll try with AI. As actually I was a developer in Oracle, and I had a good amount of experience, and I've been in an on-site also in Sweden in the earlier company. And last September, I joined Learnbay for advanced AI for leaders and managers. The each and every module which they taught was very neat and clear. And at the end of module, we had a test. Those things helped me a lot. So I was completing one module, and projects I was doing hands-on projects. Once after ML, I was doing the hands-on projects. But now I have given for Python and machine learning.
Okay.
With this, whatever I learned from the Learnbay, I have given my profile. So I have got a technical round. So I cracked the technical round. I searched in Google. I checked many multiple platforms. Actually, I registered in August itself. But I could able to join in September only. Last 2024 September I joined. Through the Google search only I have got to know. I'll definitely recommend the people who were looking for the jobs or learning things. I'll definitely recommend the Learnbay as because of I knew how the people work, and if there is some clarifications required, the people are very supportive and they are helping it out.